Current level, 1.0824 in the single European currency. Today's trading session started with a slight advantage in favor of the bulls. At the time of writing, bullish investors are headed towards the resistance at 1.0852, but at the moment, they seem unable to muster the necessary momentum to reach that level. If the bears manage to impose themselves on the market, it is possible to see a break of the support at 1.800 and reach the next one at 1.0735. Today is full of macroeconomic news that could cause high volatility in the currency pair. First news is Consumer Price Index for Europe 12 o'clock Eastern Europe Time, followed by estimated U.S. manufacturing business activity 16:45 Eastern Europe Time, ready home sales SAS 1700 Eastern Europe Time, and at 1800 oil stocks announcement also U.S.